Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at Andean precious metals. It is time for another update, but before we get to the short time frame, let's focus a bit on the larger time frame, and here we are tracking a much longer uptrend that could be developing, and we are tracking mainly the idea that here we have a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, then another 1-2 set up here. And then this area is a little bit more difficult to consider. It could be just a single 1-2 setup here, and then we could have started here a much larger and stronger third wave. That is a very plausible interpretation, but we don't really need to focus on that too much yet. We would really first focus on forming a larger third wave, and when we get to the fourth and then build the fifth, we would consider how many 4-5 patterns we really still need to complete before we consider the larger movement complete. But so far, yeah, we are still way within this internal third wave, I would say. And here on the shorter time frame, I wouldn't even go as far as focusing too much within the internal structure here. Instead, I could say that a plausible interpretation would be a 1-2 1-2 1-2 setup. Then this could be a couple of 1-2 1-2, then this the third wave up, or just the singular as we have it drawn on the chart. Again, don't focus too much on those ideas. We will be tracking the levels of support that would indicate and tell us, if broken, if we have one scenario or the other. And for now, what changed since the previous video is we actually pushed a little higher. So that was expected, but I still provided you this support zone in the previous video in the idea that, okay, maybe we are already within this wave 4 here, and then we get continuation to the upside. But to be honest, direct continuation here in the third wave is no surprise at all. And I would really be much more likely to consider that this third wave is complete. And for a wave 4 correction, I would be looking at the area between the $5 level down to the $4.5 level at the 50% retracement. We already reached the support zone, and I have to say it is quite possible the correction is complete. It is your choice after all where you enter within the support zone. It could always extend the correction, but to be honest, based on time frames and this wave 2 and this wave 4 seem to match quite well, the correction is a 3-wave move. It looks complete, and there is no need to continue here this wave 4 to the downside. But while it did fulfill the minimum expectations quite well, we can always extend and push even lower. So it's just the idea that we could have bottomed and we could be heading within this fifth wave and complete the first larger wave 3. And for now, these are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.